I gave you my heart.
Or if I hit that boat. Don't even try, dude. I'm way powerful than you. I've got the gun. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Oh my god, dude. Don't even try to kill me. You can't kill me, I've got the mythic. Just can we get a Vicro, please? I want a Vicro, just the minigun. This challenge sucks, just saying. Oh, we got some gamers. We got some gamers over here. Tifu versus Mr. Fresh. Who would win? I'm Mr. Fresh. This is Tifu. You suck, Tifu. I'm kidding. Obviously Tifu is better than Mr. Fresh. Okay, don't start typing. Okay, I'm kidding. Don't start typing on your keyboards. What should I swap, decoy or decoy? I'm sure of it. No, I'm pretty sure I would need decoys more, just to distract the enemies. I'm just saying, if I find, like, if I kill somebody with another mythic, I can take it. That's all I'm saying. I can still take it. It's not like that's not around. I can still take it. Why are you trying? Why are you trying to kill me? I've literally got a better gun than you. Doesn't matter what gun you have. Oh, well, if you have this guy's mythic, well, that's kind of good. Probably better than mine. Alright, let's go. Oh, wrong way. Whoopsies. Alright, please get a Victoria this time. Get the dub. I want the dub today. If I don't get... Why is everything just loading? It should already be there. What is going on? I'm serious. Well, when I get my new gaming computer, it's going to be better. Don't worry. I've only just started. It's like when Mully just started. He literally had the trashiest computer ever. Alright, really to go. Oh wait, but yeah, we have to loot this little corner here. Oh, somebody's already opened it. Somebody's literally... Never mind. Oh, someone's swimming. I'm over here, my guy. Over there, get him. Get him. Get him. You dumb motherfucker. Get him. Yeah. There we go. Good boy. This is so funny. Oh, 21 white. He's on whites? Are you kidding me? Just kill him, dude. There we go. He was on whites. Low standard, dude. Anyway, I'm gonna be filming when I start some tournaments. Probably gonna lose. I don't know if I make it to finals. If I make it to finals, well, that'd be awesome, but probably not. Like, if I make it to finals, I get to sit beside Booger, people like Tifu, people like freaking Clicks. It'd be so good to verse them, but I won't. Which sucks. Everyone's the 1v1 Clicks or Tifu or Booger or Ninja. Doesn't matter who you are. Just be so cool to like sit beside them and play Fortnite. Versing them. It's just so cool. Tell me if you don't want that. If you don't want that, well, I don't know. Alright, come on. Rory. God, I love this gun. This is literally just the god gun of our time. I think this is the bot lobby, to be honest. This game. Alright, somebody has to shoot me. Probably not, because only bots can build like one ramp. They can't build 2 ramps up. They can only build 1. And they can only build a wall. But they can't build wall ramp. Oh, shit. My guy, what you doing? My guy. Hey, dude. Just come. Come over to me. Yeah, bitch. Alright. Gonna switch. Come on, quickly, before someone shoots me. Alright, let's go. I want to kill this guy. If he has one of the mythics. Come back here, my guy. I'm not gonna hurt ya. Oh my god, just come here, dude. You're literally going nowhere. I wanna kill you. It's gonna be fun. Are you kidding me? You're running away? Dude, I wanna get this kill. Just fly, yes. I hate it how you have to switch like that. They should have changed it. Where is he? Why is everything loading up? Doesn't make any sense. Alright, where is he? Oh, there he is. There's a little boy. There's a little boy. Break his helicopter, shall we? There we go. Dude. I wasted so much bullets on your helicopter. I can't let you get away this time. Where are you? I'm a bush. You can't find me. Dude, this kid. I wasted so much bullets on you. I can't let you get away. It'd be stupid of me. Stupid. You're kidding me. Oh, yeah. I know where you are. Trying to get that supply drop so you can kill me. Did I just see that motherfucker? Nope. Dude, my guy, where are you? Don't leave. Oh, you're in here. Aren't you? Did I just wasted an XP. He's not, are you telling me he's not up here? Where the hell is he? Nope, alright. Come on, dude. Don't leave me. I need y'all. Kidding me? Where the hell are you? Oh my god. Just give up. I'm getting tired. I can't do this. I'm tired. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I want to pick that up so bad. Oh fuck, I'll get my bots. I'll get my Tatiana bot to find you. Take that guy, he freaking knows how to build, I tell you. God damn it, I want that scar so bad, but I can't. Where are you, dude? Just give up. Hey, I heard you open a door. Was that my bot? Oh my fucking god, that scared me. I'm trash. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace!